I'm Gwynnie. I work at MPC as an apprentice on Hurco machines. I pretty much always wanted to be a machinist, but something along the lines of engineering has pretty much been my destiny. I really enjoy what I'm doing. I love putting in a block in the machine and then coming out with a component or a part. I'm looking forward to going on the Hurco course, learning how to program the Hurcos and just developing my skills on CNCs. They're really easy to use, they're quite simple format, and just enjoy watching it go.